Excuse me LP. Do you have a minute for a quick video response to suspicious observers? I was hoping you could ask for his opinion on a possible connection between geoengineering, climate change, and a possible mini-ice age.
Sure. I hate conspiracy theories, but the evidence is mounting. The question is, do you think it might be possible that the geoengineering efforts could be an attempt to warm the planet in anticipation of the next little ice age? After doing a bit of study, it seems obvious that the Earth has a long regular cycle of warming and cooling. A study of the Maunder Minimum and the last little ice age is the door to this rabbit hole, but once inside one can find numerous mainstream reports confirming this cycle. A study of geoengineering technologies suggests that these artificial cloud layers may be creating more of a greenhouse effect than a shield from the sun too. The jump to conclusion, the theory, is that maybe the powers that be are trying to do something about it. Your video titled Energy from Space hints at this. But to come out and point directly to this possible answer might help shed more eyes and light on the subject. Connecting these last two dots might also help people see how the powers that be think that playing God for the greater good is a good idea, when in fact playing God is dangerous.
LP. Wouldn't it be a better prep to simply lead the public toward more resilient and sustainable lifestyles? Couldn't that be why humanity survives this every 400 years?
Yes. But the powers that be show a pattern of being willing to do anything to protect the current paradigm. A shift in lifestyle and consciousness like the one you propose would mean an end to the debt or consumerism-based paradigm of today. So my thinking is that they choose to play God with their planes because they are protecting our current way of life, at any cost.
If this is true, what do you think the people's reaction would be?
I think they would freak out. I think many would start to prep. I think many would abandon their debts and move to the countryside. I think the government's actions would be questioned by all and they would have their hands full with angry protesters.
But technically this not a conspiracy theory.
No. It's a plausible explanation for what would motivate a group of people to try to protect the world, taking into account their worldview built on centralized power structures. If this is true, they are not conspiring against anyone. They are trying to protect everyone. But sadly, instead of taking a decentralized approach, they have chosen to play God. And like suspicious observers, I fear it's going to backfire on them, and us, in a very bad way.